Yo, what's going on, everyone? I know it's been a fat minute since I posted a video, but I'm back. This whole year we've been super busy doing custom handrails for interior of houses, and it's just stuff that I don't find very interesting to film or anything. And I'm not the best at filming around others, so when we're at a customer's house I just don't want to be filming inside the house and stuff. So here we are. I gotta weld a little tongue box on this trailer so they can put a winch inside of it. So let's get into it. We're doing 1/4-inch plate welded to the frame. I'm gonna weld this to the plate and then mount the winch inside of the box, and then mount that little guide somewhere in the middle. And yeah, let's get into it. Got the machine started. Gonna let it warm up for a bit. I'm gonna work on centering that plate, marking it, and getting it all cut up. What I'm doing to center it is I'm just going to, I'm just gonna measure from the plate over to this other plate over here. Make sure both sides, make sure both sides are the same, and then from there figure out roughly how far in I want the plate from the edge of the trailer. So I think probably somewhere around there. Mark it there, mark it here. The same thing over on this side, mark here. And I'm just going maybe 1/2 inch in, so it can give me, enough of a surface to put a nice weld on there, and that'll be it. Now I'm gonna grab a straight edge, mark it up, and start cutting it up. Alright, we got it all welded up. Not bad. We're not doing stick welding too much. Let's see, this is the last side. I literally ran out of rod right here. That last little corner. That sucks. Not too bad. Alright, we got all this finished up. All welded out. We'll do the little roller on there. The winch is and I'm not mounting it. All the owner has to do is drill 4 holes through the box and the base plate and roll the cable out. Oh, and I guess cut a little hole here out, or cut out a little hole over here wherever he wants the winch to go through, and that's it. Time to clean up and get out of here. And before some of you guys start to say, oh, you only carry 50 feet of lead. No, what I hung up is 75 feet, 25 on the ground and 50 on the stinger. And then here, I have an extra 100 feet, but I don't have these hung up just because it's a full 100. I still have to cut it and split it into 250s. And then that way, you know, I'll hang it up. And then here's my other little ripper. And then if you guys want, I've had this for about, well, 4 or 5 months now, 5-6 months actually. And I've put 80 something hours on it, 85.7. I know when I was looking at buying this, I was looking for like reviews and stuff. There's nothing really out there. So if you guys want me to do a little review on this machine, let me know. I've had it for, like I said, 5-6 months, almost 86 hours on it, and it rips. So if you guys want a review, let me know and I'll do that. All right, we're back in the truck, all done with the job. Time to put the invoice together, send it to the customer. Today's a Saturday. This job was for one of my good customers. he's picking up a piece of equipment that's currently not running, so he really needed me to get it done as soon as possible. If you guys want me to post more frequently, I know I said I was going to, but it's just, you know, it's fucking hard. Just sitting down and editing, it takes quite a bit of time, especially when I'm already at my shop from 8 in the morning to 8 p.m, right? The last thing that I want to do is get home and edit videos. But if you guys are interested, like I said, let me know and I'll try to put together videos, you know, maybe at least once a week, and just being more consistent. Let me know what you guys would like to see. If just random videos of us just welding at the shop, whatever job we have going on, or if there's like specific stuff that you guys want to see. Again, thank you for watching. Later.